used to testing early. Sometimes they had to do it before the storms. Yeah. Well, there was a special marine warning in effect for Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach. Tropical Storm Gabrielle is formed.
All alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station. Same allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and warnings affecting only the county desired. Same radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the same program, contact your local National Weather Service office. The Marine Forecast.
Well, there we go.